Kigeranio kia muthia wa mwaka gitanyitwo kwambiriria tariki 28 mweri-ini uyu na kuringana na minista wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu, Mehariria mothe ni marikiriire. Hindi ya mucemanio na arugamiriri igeranio gicigo-ini kia Nyanza, Machogu augite maratathi maigeranio ni marikitie gukinya ceceni-ini ciothe 493 na mari rungu rwa ugitiri munene.
The process will not be compromised, everything will be credible, and as we give out the exam, it will be perfectly well.
Ona kuri uguo minista ni oritie aria mehokeirwo kurugamirira mihang'o ino kugia na uigĩrĩrĩki na matikae guthukia wira mwega uria urutitwo wa gutigirira mihang'o ino ndinagia na magesha, akiuga mathie mugaru noguo ni megukorwo magitacukirio makinya ma kiwatho.
Now have our center managers in each and everywhere, the principals, the head teachers are the center managers. We are also sending the security personnel to man each and every center.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, kamishna gicigo-ini kia Eastern Evans Achoki nieranĩire ugitiri wa kuigana hindi ya mihang'o ya igeranio kuria oritie aciari na arutwo kwaga kugia na wagagu o wothe.
Please don't try those tricks if you do not want to land in jail. We are very alert and we are monitoring this national examination with all the seriousness that it deserves.
Arutwo aria maumite icigo-ini iria igumirwo ni thina wa ng'aragu ni megukorwo makiheo teithio wa irio. Achoki akiuga gutire murutwo utegwika kigeranio kumana na thina wa irio.
The government will also provide sanitary towels to students who are sitting the examinations. All this is supposed to make the candidates to be comfortable during the examination period.
Kigeranio gia KPSEA, KCPE udomwe na KCSE nicio igukorwo igiikarirwo mukana muhiu ukirutwo kuri arutwo aria mari na matanya ma kuhenania. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.